Hello everyone, welcome to Cuboid Forms Study Circle. Today I will discuss about pharmacognosy, most important 30 MCQs. It's very important in GPAT and NIPER and railway pharmacist all pharmacy competitive examinations. It's very helpful in this section. Please watch in this pharmacognosy class. Okay, let's start the today class. Question number 1. In India, pharmacopoeia drugs are classified. Option A alphabetical, option B chemical, option C pharmacological, option D morphological. Correct option A alphabetical. This question explain about drugs are can be classified alphabetical chemical based on main constituents, pharmacological based on the activity and pharmacological root stem leaves. Second question, which of high altitude drug? Option A saffron, option B cinchona, option C clove, option D none of the above. Correct option B cinchona. Explanation, it is a distributed within altitude from 300 to 3900 meters. Question number 3. Which of these is rodenticides? Option A DDT, option B melatonin, option C red sequel, option D none of the above. The correct option C red squirrel. Explanation, red squirrel Urgenia maritime produces flowers instead of white. It is a bitter, however, rats eat in readily and to the toxic cycloraside. Question number 4. Gibberellin first was isolated from option A fungus Gibberellin fungicoria, option B animal source, option C plant, option D none of the above. Correct option A. Explanation, gibberellins are a plant hormone that regulate growth and influence various development. Question number 5. Which one of the is natural occurring growth inhibitor? Option A quinine, option B glycoxamine, option C indole butyric acid, option D abscisic acid. Correct option D abscisic acid. This question explanation about ascorbic acid is compound unlike the axins, gibberellins and cytokinase. Question number 6. The cyclic acid is key intermediate for biosynthesis of option A C6C3 unit, option B higher units, option C C3C1, option D none of the above. Correct option A C6C3 unit. This question explanation about cyclic acid is a precursor for indole derivative and aromatic amino acid tryptophan. Eighth question, standardization of crude drug is done the basis of option A morphological studies, option B chemical studies, option C histological studies, option D none of the above. Correct option D none of the above. Explanation about herbal drugs standardization include pharmacological physics and chemical phytochemistry, chemical and evaluation and reschedule analysis. Question number 9. Trichomes are called option A plant hairs, option B protectant, option C outgrowth, option D none of the above. Correct option A plant hairs. Explanation, trichomes are fine outgrowth or appendages on plants, hairs, glandular hairs, scales and papillae. Question number 10. The term pharmacognosy was coined by A. Pelletier, option B. Sirtuner, option C. Stars and Otto, option D. Seidler. Correct option D. Seidler. Explanation, the word of pharmacognosy is derived from the word pharmakon mean drugs and gnosis means knowledge. This term was used by the Australian physician Sigmund in 1811 by CRR and the Scheidler work titled Analytic Pharmacognostics. Question number 11. Sugar can contain option A glucose, option B mannose, option C fructose, option D sucrose. Correct option D sucrose. Explanation: sucrose is a disaccharide and non-reduced sugar. Question number 12. Beet contain option A sucrose, option B lactose, option C maltose, option D raffinose. Correct option D raffinose. Explanation: beetroots are notable for their sweetness. They have highest sugar content of any vegetable, but they are low in calories. Question number 13. Xylem is related with option A pentose, option B polyuretase, option C hexokinase, option D none of the above. Correct option A pentose. Explanation: xylem is group of hemicellulose that are found in plant cell walls. Chemical these are polysaccharides made from units of Giles pentose sugar. Question number 14. Acacia belong to family. Option A Sterculiaceae, option B Lignaceae, option C Gramineae, option D none of the above. Correct option C Gramineae. Question number 15. India gum is used as option A emulsifying agent, option B lubricant, option C emulsifying and binding agent, option D astringent. Correct option C. Explanation: there are polysaccharides, they are used in thinking, gelling agents, emulsifying agents, and stabilizer. And please, Cuboid Forms Study Circle, everyone like, share, subscribe in Cuboid Forms Study Circle. It's a very important in this section. Please like, share, subscribe this channel. 16th question. India Senna is cultivated in Tyne Valley situated in option A Karnataka, option B Gujarat, option C Maharashtra, option D Tamil Nadu. Correct option D Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Question number 17. Anthraquinone glycoside are A detected. Option A Baljet test, option B Bottrager's test, option C Mole's test, option D none of the above. The correct option B Bottrager test. Explanation: anthraquinones are a class of natural occurring phenolic compounds based on the 9,10 anthraquinone skeleton. Question number 18. Senna contains option A unicellular trichome, option B glandular trichome, option C multicellular trichome, option D none of the above. Correct option A unicellular trichome. Explanation: Rubiaceae stomata contain two subsidiary cells around the germ cells. Question number 19. Aloes belongs to family. Option A Liliaceae family, option B Rubiaceae family, option C Hypocyaceae family, option D Rutaceae family. Correct option A Liliaceae family. Explanation: Olea is genus containing 500 species of flowering succulent plants. The most widely known species is Aloe vera. Question number 20. Modified anthraquinone test is specified for option A C glycoside, option B N glycoside, option C O glycoside, option D none of the above. Correct option A C glycoside. This question about explanation: there are four type linkage present in glycodes and aglycan: C linkage, O linkage, N linkage, S linkage. Question number 21. Revandechini is common name for option A olive, option B rhubarb, option C sarsaparilla, option D cinnamona. Correct option A aloe. Explanation: Revandechini is common name for rhumbium imodi in Hindi language, and a Telugu language compared to aloe vera. It's question number 22. Cascara bark is derived bark of option A Rheum himodi, option B Rhamnos purshana, option C Rheum viburnum, option D Rheum palmate. Correct option A Rehium emodi. Explanation: the dried bark as a cascaria has been used for centuries as an herbal laxative. Question number 23. Foxglove leaf is phenomena is option A digitalis, option B senna, option C hyoscyamus, option D belladonna. Correct option A digitalis. Explanation: digitalis is good is genus about 20 species of herbaceous perennial shrubs and biennials commonly called foxglove. Question number 24. Digitalis belongs to family. Option A Liliaceae family. Option B Ranunculaceae family. Option C Scarpellariaceae family. Option D Cerosphaera family. Correct option C Scarpellariaceae family. Question number 25. If the digitalis leaf are dried above 60-degree potency is lost due to option A decomposition, option B chemical degradation, option C enzyme degradation, option D volatilization. Correct option B chemical degradation. Explanation: digitalis contain cardiac glycosides which degraded to high temperature leaves and in presence of moisture. Question number 26. Digitalis leaves contain option A unicerate multicellular trichome, option B glandular trichome with unicellular stalk, option C unicellular simple trichome, option D both A and B. Correct option D unicerate multicellular trichome. This question about explanation: digitalis purpurea as trichome is unicellular stalk with senile spherical secreting cell at the apex. Question number 27. Killian test is specific for option A glycan part of digitalis glycoside, option B glycan part of digitalis glycoside, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Correct option A glycan part of digitalis glycoside. Explanation: cardiac glycoside CH3COOH carboxylic plus H2SO4 sulfuric acid plus FeCl2 ferrous dichloro converted into brown color. Question number 28. Which of these adulterate of digitalis leaf? Option A Verbascum thapiosus, option B Digitaloptopasi, option C Digitalis leucae, option D none of the above. Correct option A Verbascum thapsus. Explanation: Verbascum thapsus belong to family Scrophularia are usually mixed with digitalis leaves which may be identified and distinguished by the evident presence of hugged wood and branched candelabra trichome. Question number 29. Digoxin is specific to option A digitalis purpurea, option B digitalis thapsi, option C digitalis lanata, option D none of the above. Correct option A digitalis purpurea. Explanation: digoxin is a steroid found exclusive in the flowers and leaves of the plants Digitalis purpurea.